Hello my art friends, this is Ingrid Hyde. Welcome to my art channel, Success Based Art. So are you ready for the 100 color challenge? I know I am, and I can't wait to get started. First, you're going to need a 100 color challenge worksheet. It has 100 boxes for you to fill in. Make sure you write your name and class code at the top. In addition, you will need a note card that you will find at your table to document your 5 favorite mixed colors. Please put your name on top. You will then need to pick up a palette of color from the supply table. You will need primary red, primary yellow, primary blue, a dark blue, and a white to lighten. You will also need a small, fine-tipped paintbrush to fill in these small rectangles of your chart. You will find additional paper plates at your table for your color mixing palette. Before I start mixing my colors, I really need to think about what I'm going to do so I can keep accurate documentation of my colors. Because if I mix a color I really like and want to use later, I will need to have a formula or a recipe to follow to recreate that color. So I'm going to do this scientifically and mathematically. And I'm going to measure the amount of paint I use in terms of scoops or ratios. So I'm going to pick up 1 scoop of red and place that on my palette. I'm also going to pick up an equal scoop of yellow and place that on my palette to mix. So we know 1 scoop of red, 1 scoop of yellow, that makes orange. So we're not going to call that a new color yet.
What if I took a little bit of dark blue and mixed that in?
I just mixed a new color of brown. This brown is not a secondary color, so I can include that on my chart. I'm not sure I want to keep that one for my crayon, so I'm going to wipe it off using a baby wipe, and make sure you wipe it off thoroughly. I will mix again with 1 scoop of red, 1 scoop of yellow, 2 scoops of yellow, and 1 scoop of white. That makes a very pretty cherry rose sunset. So I like that one, and I want to keep that. So after I paint it on my chart, I will document it on my card. And this might be my chosen color for my new designer crayon. Next, using my note card, I am going to document my formula. I will paint the color, then I will add my mixing formula, 1R, 2Y, 1W. That's 1 red, 2 yellow, 1 white, and that is a 1-to-1 ratio. So I need to have 5 new colors on my card, so I'm going to keep mixing. Continue this process of mixing colors, discovering new colors, and documenting your ratios. Try to fill up the 100 colors and make sure you have 5 unique colors that you really like. Well, it's now cleanup time, and I didn't really get 100 colors on my discovery worksheet here, but I did get 5 really unique colors that I might use for my personal crayon. So the important thing is that I had fun, I learned to mix my colors, and how to document my ratios. Alright, I'll start cleaning up now. I want to make sure that I put my 100 color challenge and my document card on a plastic worksheet and store them on the drying rack. I will throw away my baby wipes and my color mixing palettes in the garbage can by the door, and my dirty brush will go into the dirty brush bucket.